Thank you, ma'am.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗ್ ನೀವು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗ್ ನೀವು
Thank
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್
you.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. Thank yourself for taking this time for yourself to be part of this beautiful meditation, group meditation class. And this is completely free class, but donations or offerings are accepted. It is based on your calling. Okay, so share it to your friends, family, everybody. It is completely free online session happening every Thursday. So every class, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು class ಅಲ್ಲೂ I'll be talking about one topic. Last class I was talking about health. Today's class I will talk about wealth. So everybody please have a book and pen with you. Book and pen. If you don't have the book and pen, please go get the book and pen. Writing has its own magic. Listening from here and living will keli in this year, if you live it out, it is not going to help. Only if you listen from the ears and register in your heart and mind, it will be helpful. Knowledge is available. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಅದು ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂ ಭರತರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವ ವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಿಯೇ. So I will be asking questions. You will have to type in the chat box. Everybody knows chat box. Can you please type namaste or M? You can type yum. Yum, yum, yum.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ?
ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ CHAT ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. CHAT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಅಂತ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹುಡುಕಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರಿವಿನಿಂದ ಇರೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್? ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. Thank you so much for everybody for typing yum. Okay. Meditation means awareness. So today's topic is wealth. Okay. Which I have a question. ಒಂದ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಲೂಸ್, ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕಳೆದೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಕಿತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರಾಬ್ ಇಟ್, ನೀದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲಿವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ. Awesome, Tara. Awesome. Health, wealth and health. Actually, it is knowledge. Vidya, Gnana, knowledge. Awesome. You hit the nail. So, in today's practice, what health and wealth? I think it is knowledge. Knowledge is something which nobody can take it away from you. Wealth also somebody can take it away. Health also somebody can take it away. But knowledge is something which nobody cannot take it. They cannot steal it, or it will not leave you and go. Wherever in the universe you go, or whichever age you are, knowledge is something which knowledge is a wealth. Knowledge is a wealth which nobody can take it away. Okay. I have another question. One more question. So meditation is what? Meditation is living with, fill up the blanks. Meditation is living with
Awareness.
awareness. Awesome. Awareness and being in the present. Okay.
Present.
Being in the present. Now I have a question. What is the calibration scale? How do you tell a person is successful? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅವನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ
ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಾತ್ಯಾಯಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. Who has good knowledge in health? How do you rate yourself? Like, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? Awesome, happiness, his behavior, peaceful sleeping with good health. Amita, very good. Less speech, character, awesome. Actually, a person is measured ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ. ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ತಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಪ್ಷನ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಈಸ್, ಹೌ ಕಾಮ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನದು ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ದಿ ಖುಷಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನು ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2 ಕಾಲಮ್. ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ವೆಲ್ತ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ಆರ್ ಪೆನ್? ರೇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬುಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Somebody has raised the hand. Okay, I will take the questions later. Okay. Who has raised? Kavita, go ahead and talk. You have any question, Kavita ma'am?
No,
Unmute
you just
and
told
talk.
raise your hands.
Sorry?
You just told raise your hands who is having a book.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome. So now, before asking, I want something. Okay, generally what we do, we go and we ask, right? Before asking, I want this wealth. Let's look at our hands, what we already have in our hand. ನಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ what we already have in our life, we will write it. Which are the true wealths in our life? You got the question? ನಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನ, ಏನೇನ್ ಆಸ್ತಿ, what is the wealth that we already have in our life, we will write it. For me, having this beautiful body or a healthy body is the biggest wealth. Okay. And for me, having beautiful people in my network. For example, if my mother is calling, my father is calling, my children are calling, my friends are calling just to check how are you, my husband is calling just to be there next to me. People in your life are also the real wealth. Yes. I'm also so happy. Okay, children in your life, and also we will reflect back. What are the true wealths that you have in your life? You're able to see, you're able to talk, you're able to listen, you have a house, you have something to live, you're able to get one meal. even there are people who are orphans, who are, what do you say, who are disabled, who don't have a roof on top of them. You have a job. If you don't have a job, let's manifest it in this call. Okay. So peace. You're able to sleep. You're able to talk. You're using this Zoom, or you are having a mobile. So please take a minute and write what are the true wealths that you have in your life. Let's reflect back on what we already have. Healthy life. Very good. Once you're done, now we will go to what is the wealth that you want to manifest? What is that wealth that you really want? Okay. And wealth is not just lovely family, peaceful sleep, kind heart, good friends, good books. Awesome. For even pets, animals, knowledge, assets, the love that you have in your life, everything is a God gifted natural wealth. Okay. Materialistic money is not the only wealth. Materialistic money is not the only wealth, but money is required for the survival. So we will switch now. I have a question. Okay. Imagine you want to own a car. If you already have, fine. But if you want to upgrade, or if it's not working fine or something, which car do you want to buy? Which car do you want to manifest? ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಳೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಮರ್ಸಿಡೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ವಿಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ upgrade to Maruti is comfortable, very awesome, comfortable. So ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, in life, right, in life, whatever you dream of, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಕನ್ಸನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಾ, ತಾರ್. Okay, very nice, very nice. See, in life, right, there is always a need and a want. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ. Okay, everybody's salary is very different, or income is very different. ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ 50,000 ಇರ್ಬೋದು. For some it is 50,000, for some it is 1 lakh, for some it is 2 lakh. But what is the catch? How much it is not earning. What defines your wealth? What defines your wealth? It is not your earning. It is about your saving. How much percentage you save? Yes, even if you are earning 2 lakhs, there will be two persons, A and B. One person is earning 1 lakh, the second person is earning 2 lakhs. But second person is saving only 5%, but the first person is saving 20%. Who is rich? First person is earning 1 lakh, but is saving 20%. Second person is earning 2 lakhs per month, but is saving only 5%. Who is saving more, A or B?
A.
Awesome. So, first thing, it is not about your earning. First thing, it is more about how much percentage of money that you're saving. Okay. For that, what you need to do is you need to be aware where luxury is required and where luxury is not required. It is need versus want. If you tell Mercedes, I will tell BMW or even more, like maybe Rolls Royce. I want that car. But I need to also see that is it worth investing so much of money on that car? And if you're I request everybody just hold on, don't chat so that it will deviate the purpose. I'm happy seeing you, love, with sweet soul, my pet Maya. I am so happy that people are realizing that wealth is not just about money. It is also spending the money and planning your expenses. How many of you have an expense book? Expense book. Monthly expense book. How many of you are tracking the monthly expense book, or are you doing it in your mind? How many are doing it in the mind? Mind. So anything done in the mind, right, will not get tracked. Will not get tracked. You have to track your expenses on a daily basis. On a daily basis or a monthly basis. Don't ask me you have to invest so much of time in tracking. No, you can monthly once put a budgeting. Budget. GPay. GPay is digital currency. You will not feel the pain of losing the money or spending the money. Okay. Anything which is paid in cash will make you more aware how much you're spending. Will make you aware how much you're spending. Agree with me? Digital money will not give you the feel that, okay, this much is my target to save, but monthly budgeting, yes, you should have your own expense chart. I have an expense chart, okay. You should have monthly budgeting as well as yearly budgeting. So I have this pie chart. Like this, I make a pie chart. I invest, I make sure that in my yearly chart, right, in my monthly chart or pie chart, everybody, if possible, make this pie chart. Pie chart. I will tell you the bullet points. Bullet points are monthly you'll have some EMIs, some medical expenses, some party or friends, parents, kids, family and house monthly expenses, self-care and development, shopping, donation, travel, investment. Okay.
Okay.
So these are some of the yearly and monthly expense chart. Once you have this chart, right, it will make you more. It will make you more. What?
What?
It will make you more aware. Okay. How much money you have to invest on your own self for self-development. How much you have to allocate for EMI. How much for your medical or medical insurance. How much for your enjoyment or party or friends. How much for your kids. How much for your travel. How much for your investment. Okay, how much for your shopping? Okay, so this chart, right? This monthly expense chart, like if you want, I'll send a photo of this later. What it creates clarity.
Awareness.
If you write in the book, right, every month, if you're saving, I'm just giving a simple example, 10,000. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. If you put it aside, only if you save, you can invest it. Then once you invest, you can see some returns, and then you can plan for financial freedom. Okay. So currently with Indian family and Indian, most of the parents, what I have seen is this graph chart, right? It will only have major portion EMI or major portion children expenses, children like education or some investment. There will be zero money for self-development, rejuvenating programs, and donation. I don't know, medical planning. So if you're aware, if you have more clarity, right, the uncertainties of life can be addressed very easily. Okay. So if you see that every month 10,000 in your account is becoming more, 20,000, 30,000, and also compound interest, you will feel what? You'll feel? If you see the
Happy.
balance going up,
We'll feel happy.
you'll feel happy, and it will also trigger the happy hormone. And at the same time, it will encourage you, it will motivate you to save
Do
more
more.
and also invest more and also get more returns, and also it will give you financial freedom. So the key is planning and making a checklist. Like you have to, whenever you go to the grocery shop, right, you need to make the list of items. Don't go random. And also if you pay in cash, right, it will create even more awareness. And in your chart, pie chart, don't have majorly on one particular item. For example, I see a lot of Indians want to make asset for children. Agree with me? They want to make property, wealth, asset, uh, many things for children. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
But I say, I am giving you an example. Ocean. Ocean has how many fishes? Ocean has how many fishes?
I don't know.
Can't count.
You can't count, right?
Uh,
Like that, like that, the universe has, the ocean has n number of fishes. So teach your child to do the fishing. Teach your child to do the fishing. Don't fish for them. Don't fish for them. Okay. So teach
Correct.
the child how to fish from the ocean. N number of opportunities are there, n number of fishes are there. That means n number of opportunities to make wealth. Okay. If you just don't teach them how to make, how to do fishing, if you do the fishing for them, like if you make the wealth for them, they will not know how to make wealth. And how much ever asset and wealth you make and give it to them, right? There is a possibility if they don't know how to, if they don't know how to
Handle it.
manage it, and if they don't know how to fish, they might lose it. And any money, what is the other name for money? What is the other name
Energy.
for money?
Energy. Lakshmi.
Yes, there is one more. One more. It starts from C. It starts from C. Currency. Awesome. Currency. Currency means current. Money means current. It needs to keep flowing. If it is stuck, it becomes stagnant. So don't focus on generating just wealth. Make your child enabled with knowledge, workshops, give them an hobby also as a gift, as a wealth. I see a lot of parents when they are focusing on art, painting, dance, music, or any extracurricular activity apart from the school book knowledge, they discourage them. No, actually, That is a special gift that you're giving your kid to lead the life. It gives them the life lessons. Okay, it gives them the life lessons. And to be very true, me being an artist, it triggers the right brain cell, which is held responsible for the creativity, thinking out of the box, innovative ideas. It makes the kid super smart. Okay, today we don't need any corporate company or any company, right? They don't want marks. They want a what kid? All-rounder and a smart kid and a kid who thinks out of the box. That creativity is curbed. Parents don't recognize that you should encourage extra, even for you, anybody, right? If you have a passion or a calling for anything, it can be knitting, it can be making coffee or anything which you do as a passion, right, will attract money. I am the living example. I learned painting when I was doing my engineering. Okay. And I learned gardening with my grandmother when I was a child. And then I studied and I am into some professional job that is secondary. And I learned meditation when I was in US. When I was in US, I was not working and I was just taking care of my children. Okay. So every phase, right? I have been learning different things and I've been exploring. It is like a puzzle. You know puzzle, right? There will be puzzles. I'll just show you. Like this. There were a lot of puzzles in my life and I was just learning. I was not asking too many questions. I was moving. Whatever comes to me or whatever calling comes to me, I used to do it. I used to enjoy it. I used to learn it. But today, you know what has happened? All the puzzle pieces have joined to make a beautiful picture around me. Okay. So like that, what is your passion? Please focus on that parallelly. And today, my painting is fetching me some money. My meditation classes are fetching me some money. My office work also is fetching me some money. My gardening, I plan to, now propagate and make small pots and sell it off. So, what is the learning is anything which you do it with love, affection, and utmost
Passion.
respect, right? It will attract the divine energy, money. So you're not keeping only work as your source of money. You will not have one source of money. You should have
Multiple source of money.
multiple sources of money. Okay. And that if it resonates with your passion, it can be cooking, it can be anything, whatever. It can be starting a new business. It can be anything, whichever is your calling, right? Don't look for perfection. Don't look for perfection. Just start off. Just like WhatsApp, earlier it did not have video call, it did not have status, it did not have many features. They still started it off. And later they kept on adding features. They kept on updating it, upgrading it. Agree with me?
Yes.
Say yes. You're liking the class.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, like that, your investment also. Don't put all your investment in one bag. Split your investments in such a way that you put in FD, safest some portion of the money, mid risk some portion of the money, and high risk some portion of the money. So you never know when the universe will favor you. So even if one loses, right, you'll still not be under loss. But if you plan, if you have strategy, right, if you have strategy, then things will unlock by itself. Things will unlock by itself. So best thing is don't fish for your children. Teach them how to fish. Okay. So now I think we are running out of time. So we will start the meditation. But I have few things which I want to share. Make sure your needs and want based on your income. Based on the income, if the elastic band, right, if it is stretched beyond certain things, what happens? If
It
the
will break.
rubber band is stretched beyond
Okay.
certain thing, what will happen?
It will break.
It will
It's
break. So
breakdown.
don't overstretch yourself. Don't oversave. Don't over compress. Do everything in
Balance.
moderation. Don't overdo for your children. Don't oversave. Don't over restrict yourself from the basic enjoyments of living your life. Every day we are dying. Every second that is ticking, right? What is happening? We are going close to the
Death.
we are going close to the death. And
Death.
beautiful thing is next second is unpredictable. So in your deathbed or when you're dying, you should not tell, oh, I forgot to live my life the way I wanted. I made property for my children, sacrificing my entire life, and today they are not taking care of me. And today they are not taking me to foreign tour or different places. They are not respecting me. I made them study in the most famous school. I gave them the best clothes. No. First thing is, how do I expect a middle class family to invest in this generation? Expense is more than income. That is why you need to have an expense chart. You need to have an expense chart. You need to have a budget. You need to start looking for what are the different sources of money. What is your passion? First, connect with yourself and don't overwork, especially if you're in IT, right? IT or any job. You know, I am from an IT background. Okay. Lot of people have an assumption that we work for 14 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours, and we don't have peace of mind. We are always working. We are busy, right? This is the assumption, right? But I say it is based on what you commit. Anybody who is doing too much of work will lose balance. His personal life will get affected. A person whose personal life is affected, and if he has money, will he be happy?
No. No.
No. So the key is, what is the key? The key for everything is
Balancing.
Balance.
moderation. Okay. And enrolling people and doing everything as awareness. Starting from switching off the light in your house. Your children will see if you're switching off the light, you're saving energy, you're saving your current bill. If you're taking care, water is not used unwantedly. What is happening? You're saving water energy, you're saving water bill. At the same time, you're doing justice to the universe. Okay, and unknowingly, your children's also will follow the same. Same thing, don't go for brand unless you have that luxury and money or sufficient balance. Okay, make sure if the functionality is met, it is met. Unless you don't need it for your job, you don't need an iPhone. Because there is a strategy, 80% versus 20%. Take anything in your life. Your phone also, you will only use 20% of the features very frequently. Only you will use calling, messaging, or WhatsApp, or some
Yes.
GPay app.
Social
Very
media.
limited features you will use. Like that, take your cupboard. In cupboard, you have so many dresses, 100 dresses. But analyze yourself. There is a study done which will show only 20% of your clothes are used frequently. Okay. So everything, if you start doing it with awareness, will do magic.
Wonderful.
Okay, we'll do magic. Even a small step, one step will create ripples around your family, around your house, around your entire community, around the entire universe. That one step of yours also will make a difference. No wasting the food is also saving energy, saving money indirectly. Okay. So, in flight, when you're going in a flight, right? 1 degree shift in the angle of the flight will land thousands of miles apart. Okay, like that, in your life, just 1 degree change. 1 degree change in the way you think, the way you spend your money, the way you strategize, the way you plan yourself, the way you invest, first saving, then invest, then returns, and splitting your risk in different baskets and acknowledging the wealth which you already have and following your passion. Many things will make a huge difference in your life and the way you will lead life and the perspective towards wealth. Agree with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Still, I have, we will get into the meditation. Everybody, wherever you are, stretch your hands. Take a deep breath and leave out through the mouth. I have few affirmations and few things which I'll share. You can close your eyes. And once the class, the meditation, I'll do only 5 minutes of meditation. After that is done, if anybody has any questions, you can ask. I will answer. Okay. Please take a deep breath. Stretch your hands wherever you are. Leave it through your mouth. Relax. Relax. Once more. Stretch your hand. Relax. Okay? Everybody, wherever you are, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರೋ, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Meditation is nothing but recharging, relaxing, and plugging yourself to the infinite energy. Energy is abundant, like how the ocean fishes are countless, like that. The energy which is current, which is available in the universe is abundant. Like how the mobile gets energy battery low at the end of the day, you put the charger. Like that, you're plugging in yourself to the existence. You're putting yourself a charger. You're plugging the charger to the universe and you're switching on the plug. Take a deep breath. Relax. Now you're switched on the plug. The current energy, Shakti, Prana Shakti, the energy is flowing through you. You're slowly getting charged. One 1%, 5%, 10%, 25%. Energy, current is flowing through the existence. Unlimited energy is flowing through you. 50%, 70%. Relax, take a deep breath. You're now completely charged, 100% charged, full battery on. Every cell of your body is relaxed. Relaxed. Let go of all the fear of money. Let go of all the fear of tax, GST, how to manage the money, how to protect the money, how to earn the money. Everything, just surrender yourself to the universe. The universe will unlock different doors which are unknown, magical doors, only when you have a open heart to receive the divine money energy. Imagine yourself like a heap of money. You have access to the heap of money. Don't worry how the money will come, from which source it will come. If you are peaceful, relaxed, and surrendered, whatever you desire for, it will get manifested. Key is don't fear. Allow the money energy to flow through all the obstacles. Imagine yourself swimming in the ocean which is filled with money. You're like enjoying. It's like you have full gratitude and you have strategies for the currency, the current to move for the well-being of the universe. So money energy also will find a moving, flowing path. It cannot be a stagnant water. Stagnant water is dead. A money which flows, which circulates, will have life and will become abundant, and it will grow, and it will expand. Money will expand. Like it was becoming bigger than yourself, becoming bigger than your house, becoming bigger than your city, becoming bigger than India, becoming bigger than the entire earth. You're expanding. You're expanding yourself. You are having open heart, so that the wealth of all kind, happiness, peace, knowledge, materialistic money, everything flows through you when you are peaceful, surrendered, with different strategies. You become a magnet. Repeat with me in your mind or with your mouth. I am a magnet for wealth. I am a magnet for wealth. I deserve to be wealthy. I deserve to be wealthy. I let go all my assumptions, all my fears. I surrender myself to the universe. Imagine yourself relaxed, your shoulders loose, relaxed, calm. glowing like a gold, like a sun. You're glowing. You're recharged. You're glowing. You're opening your heart for the magic to happen. The entire universe will make sure that you get what you want, will help you manifest what you deserve and believe in yourself. ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ನೀವೇನ್ ನಂಬ್ತೀರಾ, ಭಯ ಇಲ್ದಿರಾ, ನಿಮ್ ಹೃದಯನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ತಾನಾಗೆ ತಾನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. असतो मा सद्गमय तामसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Rub your hands and bring it to your eyes and slowly feel that you're glowing. And then you can open your heart and open your eyes and then ask if any question is there. And if possible, have your purse red color. If you have your purse red color, it will attract energy. And also, if you have a blank check, write a blank check for yourself. You want 10 million, you want what you want, that amount, write it in a check for yourself, in your name, and keep it in your locker or wherever you want, right? Or in your purse. It will attract certain things. It goes like a command. ನೀವು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್, ಯು ರೇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ, ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಡು
ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ, ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿ. How to expect middle class family only. Even I am from middle class family, you know. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗಿಂತ ಬಿಲೋ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಸೈಕಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋದಕ್ ನಮ್ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ 10th ಆಗೋ ತನಕನೂ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆ ತರ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ many properties in my name, and also I have my own car, and I have visited different parts of the world. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನು ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸರೆಂಡ್ರೆನ್ಸ್, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಸದಾ ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಆರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಏನೇ ಒಂದ್ ನೋವು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಎವಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಶಿಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಭಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನೀವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹುಡ್ಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ. ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಲಂಟ್ರಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ತರ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಜಿಪೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ. ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ತುಂಬಾ thank you.
ನನ್ಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೂನು ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ನೀವು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Thank you.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಅವೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ,
Okay.
ಬಜೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನದು ನಿಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂತ ವೆಲ್ತ್, ಆಸ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎನಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? Yes, I will be starting regular meditation classes. I am thinking about it. Very thankful. Even such people are there like you. Yes. Can you say about painting classes? Painting classes also I'm mostly starting from March. The group link is already there in Insta. You can join the group. Painting classes also is a free class. Gardening, I'm not teaching, ma'am, but plants talk to me. I have a huge garden, urban garden. I have around close to 500 pots. They talk to me. They are my source of energy. Some videos are there in the Insta, you can see. Yes. Painting classes, March it will start, weekly 1 day. And I'll be announcing it shortly. The group is already there. You can join the painting group. If you have any specific questions to gardening, you can ask me. Whatever little I know, I will share it in the WhatsApp. You can send me voice message also. If anybody has any doubts, you can send me voice message on the admin number. Okay. You are also great. You are also great. Thank you so much. Love you all. And thank everybody, including your parents, the universe, the people around you, the Ishta Devatas, all, everybody. My gratitude prayer will be the next meditation. I'll be taking gratitude prayer. Resend the painting class link, ma'am. Yes, I will send it. It's there in my Insta, but I'll send it to this group also. Okay? All right. Happy good night. Take care. Bye.
राम राम
Ram Ram. Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे
Radhe Radhe.